In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom values in Go High Level. If you're looking to customize your experience within Go High Level, adding custom values is a great way to start. So, let's get right into it. First things first, open up your preferred web browser. It doesn't matter if you're using Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. Choose whichever one you're most comfortable with. Once you have your browser open, you'll want to type Go High Level into the search bar. This will bring up a list of search results related to Go High Level. Now, look for the link that says www.gohighlevel.com and go ahead and click on that. This will direct you to the official Go High Level website. Once you're there, it's time to log into your account, so find the Login button at the top of the page and enter your username and password. If you haven't saved your credentials, just make sure you have them handy. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your Go High Level sub-account dashboard. This is your central hub, and from here, you'll want to navigate to the settings. You can find the settings option on the left-hand side of the screen. It's part of the navigation menu, which should be fairly easy to spot. Click on it, and a list of settings options will appear. Look for Custom Values in the settings menu and click on it. This section allows you to create, edit, and manage your custom values. To begin creating a new custom value, direct your attention to the blue button that reads Plus Add Custom Value. Go ahead and click on that, and a new screen will pop up. On this screen, it's time to enter the specific details of your custom value. You'll see fields for both name and value. The name is essentially the label you want to give this custom value, so choose something clear and descriptive. For the value, enter the specific information or data that this custom value represents. After you've filled in both fields, you'll need to choose where to store this new custom value. You'll see an option to select a folder. This step is crucial for organization, especially if you're planning to create multiple custom values. Pick a folder that makes the most sense for easy access in the future. Finally, when you're satisfied with all the information you've entered, it's time to save your work. Locate the Save button on the screen and click it. That's it. Your custom value has been successfully created and stored. And there you have it. You've just learned how to create custom values in Go High Level, a simple yet powerful way to tailor the platform to meet your needs. I hope you found this guide helpful. Thanks for watching.